Hello children, let's understand a very important topic here. As we were discussing the structure of atom, so what were the discoveries about structure of atom? Who actually proposed the first model of the structure of atom? So according to Dalton, John Dalton, atomic theory, an atom was an indivisible particle. And I am sure you know that in 500 BC, Maharshi Kannar named the atoms as Parmanu. So Dalton said that atoms are indivisible, we cannot divide them further. But in 1897, J.J. Thomson discovered the electrons. Yes, it was the huge and the main discovery in chemistry, that he was able to discover electrons. Where are electrons present? In atom. So J.J. Thomson discovered electrons during the investigations of cathode rays. Similarly, in 1886, E. Goldstein also observed some new radiations in a gas discharge and named them canal rays. Canal rays are also known as anode rays. So children, these cathode rays, they contain electron, right? So they are negative rays, while canal rays, they are positive rays. So who discovered canal rays or anode rays? They were discovered by E. Goldstein. When? In 1886. And who discovered electrons or cathode rays? They were discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897. Keep these in mind. So further, at that time, it was assumed that an atom consists of only two subatomic particles, and they were electrons and protons, whose charges are balanced, and therefore atom is neutral. So if negative and positive are equal, it will cancel, the net charge will be 0. So that's why the atom is neutral and the charges are balanced. So at that time, how many subatomic particles were there? There are only two particles, which are protons and electrons. And what else do we know about electrons and protons? Their symbol, their charge and their mass. So let's write that in the table. So if we are talking about proton as subatomic particle, what is the symbol of proton? Either you write P, small p, or you write P plus. Both are correct. So either you write P plus or P. And what is the relative charge? It is +1. Then what is the mass? It is 1 AMU, atomic mass unit, or 1 U. What about electron? The charge of electron, the symbol of electron is E minus, or you can just write E. And the charge is -1. It is the comparable charge. And mass, it has a negligible mass. It is 1 by 2000 times of AMU approximately. The exact value is 1 upon 1837, or you can directly write it is a negligible value. So we usually write it has negligible mass. Electrons have negligible mass because it's very small. See, 1 by 2000 times of the value of proton. So it's very small. So that's why we say the mass is so less that its mass is negligible. I hope you have understood the initial discoveries about the structure of atom. Thank you.